Hello and thanks for watching. This is Don down here at Sunwest RV with a beautiful 2023 leisure travel van Unity. This is like a U24, what do they call this thing? A U24TB is what this package is. We're going to do a quick little look on the outside of this. I'm actually going to go and spend some time inside real quick right now, and then we'll do a walk through on the outside and just check out all the compartments afterwards. But let's open up the door here. We're greeted by a power step that comes out right away. I'm actually going to take off my shoes as this unit is clean. I don't want to bring anything inside. So the keys down here. This is a Mercedes-Benz platform right here. It's got roughly about 50,000 K on it. You can see it's got a touchscreen, nice light colored leather seats. As we look around the main area straight in the front here, we've got our nice kitchen. We've got our chairs set up here and here. This is on the floor where we can put the table. I'll show you where the table is in a minute. Take a little seat here and you'll see lots of different drawers. You got the nice big cupboards here for storage underneath the sink. Storage there. You have this guy here. This will pop right on out with your spice rack or pantry. There we are. Television right in here. We've got all these nice little bins along the top here. Storage here. We've got a screen. There we go. Let's tap that, turn it on. This is your screen for all your different lights and stuff. You've got your different modes, your temperature controls and everything in here. As we're looking around the roof, you can see we've got LED lights going all the way down. You got a nice little sunscreen here or skylight. We got airflow coming from the roof. We've got our microwave right up here on top and our fridge and freezer. This is very unique. You can open this freezer and fridge from either side. So whichever side you like. There we are. Coming into the back section, you'll see we've got the two beds set up right now. This obviously, this one right here will flip forward and fall between the two. You can turn this entire sleeping area into one king-size bed. You got a mirror back there. Hello. You got these LED lights going along the roof line. Lots of storage along the top here on each side. You have wardrobes with a rack up there. We got in here. Nice big shower. And on this side here, we've got the bathroom. Lots of room in here. Raised toilet, little counter space, towel racks. There is little shelving here on the inside as well. I like the lights in the roof. All the roof here is all soft touch around the outsides. This is solid. Window on each side as well, I'll point out, and some drawers down below too. Underneath the bed here, if I lift this up, if I can do this with one hand, it's a little hard, my apologies. There we go. That's where the table sits. As you can see, it's got its own little spot so it doesn't rattle around while you're driving or anything. Light switches up on the front there as well. And that is the inside of the Unity. All the walls on this side here, this is all soft touch. This is solid. Got a couple hooks here for putting coats and whatnot. These are your main manual light switches and stuff right here. Your battery disconnect down below. Towel rack, spice rack there. Pull down shades. Yeah. So that there, I'm gonna put a pause on this and say this is the interior. Let's go check out the outside. There we go. Just gonna grab my shoes back on. Thank you for watching if you still are. I see we've just crossed the 4-minute, there we go, the 4-minute timer. So step will automatically go in when you close the doors. As you can see around the outside here, you've got the big awning along the side here. We do have a couple storage bins along the bottom, so we're going to go ahead and check them. I've already unlocked all of them, so they should just open on up. But there's a nice deep storage bin. It does not go all the way through, but it's a nice deep one. There we go. In here, you can see you have your inverter and a little bit of storage there. There we go. This one stands up. You've got the beautiful Onin 3600 propane Cummins generator. And here, we've got more storage. So I put that down, and I'm going to put this one down too to avoid clashing anything together. Inside here, this is underneath the bed. As you can see, it does go through to the other side. There is this section here that's blocking the middle of it. You got a barbecue. On the back, if I back up here, you can see that there is a ladder to the roof. I'm not going to take it down right now for this video. As you can see, this big box here is in the way. This is the tilt-away box. So there's a couple pins on it. You can actually drop this down on the front. And if we take a look on the inside, this big box here, these things run roughly $5,000 to $6,000. They are not cheap. You've got a bar here in the middle. You got grooves. This is for putting bikes and that kind of stuff in here. They do have about a 200-pound capacity is what they're rated for. A couple of little tie-down spots on the inside there and there. So if you want to like ratchet something down, this is adjustable and removable. It's got pads and straps on it, so you can strap things to it if you'd like. But that's what that is on the back. Your license plate would be relocated to here. If that's off, then you can put the license plate on the back of the RV. As we come around this side here, we shall take a look. Did I undo these ones? I don't think I did. Oh, did I just lock them? Maybe I did undo them before. My bad. Yeah, I did. Some more storage. There it is, right through to the other side. And nice little area here underneath the on the one side bed there. And you can see as you lift this up, this is access to the inside. Here, if we lift this big thing, there we go. There is all of your access to your tanks and your water pumps and that kind of stuff. You got your pull handles here for your black tank and your gray water. You got your storage there. You got a couple wheel chocks, which is great. Outdoor shower stuff. Coming around down here, guess what it is? More storage. Power cords, connectors, shore power, that kind of stuff. Whoop. And there we go. The last one is empty, but it is storage. So lots of storage around this thing. Just fantastic. Coming up, taking a look at the tires. Tires are in great shape. The vehicle is in great shape. There's no big scratches or dents or rock chips or anything. This is in fantastic condition. 2023 Unity. Hopefully this video has shed a little bit of light here. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a comment. And in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks for watching.